Thank you for purchasing a Waters Co therapy shower. This step-by-step guide will show you how to assemble the unit. First, let's remove the unit from the box, disassemble it and familiarise ourselves with the components. The cartridge contains vitamin C, collagen and aromatherapy oils. Remove the cartridge from its sealed package and remove the sticker from the base of the cartridge. Unscrew the filter body and insert the cartridge. Ensure the up arrows are facing away from the chrome base of the filter body. Reattach the upper filter body by screwing it into the chrome base until you meet moderate resistance. Do not over-tighten the filter body. Next, attach the therapy shower head to the upper half of the filter body. Do not over-tighten the filter body. The unit is now ready to be attached to your existing shower. First, remove the existing shower head. Simply attach the existing flexi hose to the chrome base of the therapy shower. Once the unit is attached, turn on the water and allow it to flow. If there are any leaks in the shower therapy unit, turn off the tap and gently tighten the affected joints by hand. The therapy shower is now ready for use. Your therapy shower only uses approximately 7 to 8 litres of water per minute and will likely increase the water pressure of your shower. With the therapy shower, most people only need to open their taps to around 2/3 the level of their previous shower heads to achieve the same pressure.